How to schedule messages on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule messages on Instagram for both iOS and Android devices. So now let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure that it's updated to its latest version. And also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Go to the messages section in the top right corner of the screen and then select a conversation you'd like to interact with. Now in the conversation box, type in the message you want to send. Instead of sending it right away, press and hold the messenger icon located just above your keyboard. Once you do that, this will open an option to schedule your message. Here you can select the date and time you want the message to be sent. And once you have chosen the date and time, go to the bottom and select Send at that time. And that's it. This is exactly how you can schedule messages on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.